My name is Radzi Chinyanganya, and since 2013 I've been a full-time television presenter, and since 2010 I've been endeavouring to become a full-time television presenter. And in that time I've had the privilege of presenting a myriad of things, ranging from Blue Peter to Songs of Praise to Crufts to the Winter Olympics, World Athletics Championships, Triple Crown event at snooker, US Open tennis, World Rally Championship, so many things. I've focused mainly in sport. I've done other things as well, but hopefully I'm just getting started. The whole premise of Making Gains is about people on the pursuit of excellence, people who dedicate themselves to specific areas. And one massive interest of mine is the area of strength, speed and power. So whether that be track and field athletes, Olympic lifters, weightlifters, strongmen, bodybuilders, rugby players, 101 different types of people, but those who are obsessed and totally commit themselves to such a single pursuit. And I think the human body is capable of so many things. Skill is one of them, but I happen to just love those three areas: strength, speed and power. Then within that, the whole premise of Making Gains, the pursuit of excellence, is anyone that's on that pursuit. So whether it be in a skill-based sport or game, whether it be a board game like chess, whether it be somebody that happens to love the exploration of space, but doesn't just dabble in it, obsesses about it, is immersed in it, is totally dedicated to discovery, to finding out more. And so whether it be racing drivers, whether it be politicians, whether it be chefs, any people who really live by that moniker of the pursuit of excellence. I am fascinated by human beings who are totally dedicated, totally committed, totally obsessed in an endeavour, in an area, in a pursuit. And that's what Making Gains is all about: speaking to those people, finding out what makes them tick, how they do what they do, how other people can do exactly the same thing, to learn from them and possibly have transferable skills that we can adopt into our lives as well. And I cannot tell you just how excited I am to uncover things about these people that I don't know, but I know they're special people, and I know they'll have nuggets. And I know that after one podcast, two podcasts, 101 podcasts, it will become, hopefully, a document of learning that you can tap into, hear from somebody that perhaps you didn't know about, or an endeavour you didn't have an interest in, but you took something from their attitude, their mindset, their belief.